Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome to Crypto Squid, your go-to channel for all things crypto. I'm Kevin, your guide on this thrilling journey through the fascinating world of cryptocurrency. Here at Crypto Squid, we cover it all, from small cap gems to high-profile projects, meme tokens that make you laugh, and NFT ventures that push the boundaries of creativity and more. In this video, I will explain this wonderful project called Intellectia. Whether you're a seasoned trader, a curious investor, or just someone looking to stay informed about the latest trends, this channel is for you. Join me as we navigate the waves of the crypto sea and uncover hidden treasures together. Now, before we dive in, it's important to note that I'm not a professional analyst. My insights are based on research, experience, and my own personal opinions. Ever feel stuck picking the right stocks or crypto trades? I used to until I found this AI tool. Welcome back, and today I'm diving into Intellectia AI, an AI-powered investing platform that helps both stock market investors and crypto traders make smarter and faster decisions. Trust me, this is a game changer. So, what is Intellectia AI? Again, it's an AI investing app, and it's available currently now on the Google Play Store and additionally on the Apple App Store. Intellectia simplifies trading by analyzing stocks and crypto in real time, giving you clear insights without spending hours stuck on charts. So let's take a look at some of their key features here. First off, we have swing trading and their AI-powered swing trading. This is great for short-term features. This gives you buy and sell signals, so it makes your trading absolutely effortlessly, and it's perfect for timing your entries and your exits. We can see it offers 60% plus annualized returns on stocks and 20x returns on crypto. Additionally, we also have the AI stock picker. Imagine having a smart assistant that screens thousands of stocks instantly and tells you which ones look the most promising. That's what the AI stock picker does. Guidance on the top 5 daily stocks to buy pre-market and sell upon market closing here. And it has a proven back-tested strategy achieving over a 200% annualized return. And it's the first in finance to integrate LLM to precise stock picks. And they are powered AI-guided investment insights to maximize potential returns. So we will be diving into the platform, showing a demo of this. But again, it's super easy. It literally just tells you what to buy, and that's all you need to do. Just follow the AI stock picker. It does all of the work for you. So you get AI-powered insights on the platform for next-gen investors. Again, that AI stock picker. We also have the swing trading. Additionally, there are crypto and stock technical analysis tools. So each asset has an analysis button. You have dedicated stock monitoring with over 500 stock signals, and top crypto investor portfolio, so you can actually explore the trading strategies of politicians and top hedge fund managers to see what they are doing. And of course, the AI financial agent. So it's backed by leading and global powerhouses here, and a lot of value and strategy behind this one. Where I see Intellectia really shine is their strategy and risk management. You can use their suite of tools to spot entry opportunities early, set realistic stop losses with their AI guidance, avoid any emotional trading mistakes. So basically, you get a strategy powered by data and not guesswork. So how do you use it? You can try it for free right now, signing up with a Google account, social media, or email and password. So logging into the platform, you can see all of their different plans. Again, you can try it simply for 7 days, which is great. And I'm sure once you do start using it, you will fall in love with the platform, and it's a complete game changer. So again, available on the Google Play and on the Apple App Store. Let's say, for example, you want to invest $500 per week. Instead of guessing, you can let the Intellectia AI stock picker identify strong opportunities and then confirm your entry and exit timings. For example, here we can see today's top picks. We have Lennar Company is looking bearish. And of course, to unlock it, you can purchase to see the bullish. So we can take a look in here at Lennar Corporation, and our suggested trading here is bearish, meaning you can go short. The reason for this, it gives us a breakdown, weaker Q3 results with EPS missing consensus and revenue falling short here. We have some historical stats from their earnings release and our financial results event. So that, of course, is giving us great analysis on the stock already. And you could do a pretty easy swing trade here for market open if everybody is thinking it's looking bearish. So we can take a look at their strategy performance here overall on the AI stock picker, up 249%, of course, outbeating the S&P by a very large margin. We can see top P&L symbols, of course, year to date, well, 1 day returns here on apps.o and the worst performers and some distributions. So let's dive into the AI screener here. So we can take a look at stocks bullish for either tomorrow, week, a month. You can take a look at pre-market top picks and of course cryptos. So let's take a look at cryptos bullish for a week's time here. We have 18 candidates for this week. Of course, the major players, we've got Bitcoin here. We can see the next week's probability of rise and a predicted profit. And additionally, we have Hashkey platform token, which I haven't actually heard of. So it's great, you can find some hidden gems here. We can take a look at the chart, and this is an ecosystem token of Hashkey. We can take a look at the social media sentiment, which is nice, so you can see whether it's bullish, neutral, or bearish. And quite a good thing is, if you have a really bullish media sentiment, that means kind of the upside can already be priced in. So it's great that we do get an insight built right into the dashboard. Then we can take a look at the stock market picks. Again, we can see the current market signals, last sell signals and buy signals, and you can actually view the S&P volume trade flow. So we can see actually a pretty big sell imbalance today, showing a stock market sell-off. But of course, the time of recording this is a weekend, so it's quite normal. We also have the earnings prediction here, which is in the beta phase, and of course, breaking news. So all in one place, you can have breaking news for stocks, crypto, and trending news, which is great to keep up to date and be ready to place your swing trades based on all of these news. And of course, you can take a look at your history. So it's a really user-friendly and nice AI here. That's the stock picker. We of course have Swing Max, which you can unlock with your personal swing trade assistant. Just follow the signals, no extra analysis required, and it's designed to identify the most reliable bottom stocks in the market. And it won't issue a new entry unless the conditions are suitable. So it's not going to give you any majorly risky claims here. We can take a look at Saber Corp, and we can see a market, and it's signaling a market bottom here, which you see a pretty big sell-off. You also have their AI technical analysis, so we can say, for example, should I buy? And it won't actually tell us. So we get a full in-depth analysis from the query with the technical analysis here. You can see the support and resistance marks, their price to earning ratios, and then a full conclusion. So just by clicking on a stock and ask like a one-click answer, we get a full conclusion with a short-term buy for high risk, short-term investors seeking maximum returns here. You can take a look at the upsides, and of course we have even more queries. So in the the trial, of course you have limited versions, but once you have the paid plan, all of this is accessible. And as a trading beginner, this is so much information. You would have had to spend hours to get all of this just on one stock, and you can do this with multiple stocks and of course different cryptos as well. So unlike free stock screeners or generic trading bots, Intellectia combines AI analysis with their very nice user-friendly interface. It's like having a trading mentor in your pocket without any of that complicated jargon. For example, here we can actually do a price prediction as well for Saber. Just understanding the question and then retrieving the relevant data. But we can see some trading signals. So for Intellectia proprietary trading signals, the AI stock picker, it didn't give any today. And for Saber, the Swing Max set an entry signal with a 2.17 price change since then. So we can see actually that, well, if you follow the swing trade, you would have been up 2.17%. In terms of look for price predictions here, it gives us some different technical indicators, an economic calendar, and news events. And it says the stock is likely to consolidate into a narrow range. And we get a 1 day projection consolidation and a 1 week projection of slightly bullish. On a month time, it's looking quite bearish though. So I love the ease of use of this platform. Again, the AI tools is completely a game changer and how easy it all is to use. So there's full step-by-step tutorials on Intellectia on how to use each of the different features. I think the best is to just try it for yourself. Again, check out intellectia.ai using the links down below. It's free to explore and you'll quickly see why AI is changing the way we invest. Thank you all for watching here today and see you next time.